Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Preeti from Mumma Studio and I'm back with another set of activities. These are DIY worksheets. Here we have this compound words. So here I have created this anchor chart, and for compound words here I have created two words joined together to create a new word with a new meaning. So that new word is called a compound word. For example, here I have given this home plus school makes homeschool. This is actually a new word with new meaning. So as you can see here, each word stands by its own meaning. So this homeschool is a compound word. And then here I created this compound word flip-flop book to make it easy for my child. So all these stickers I got it from this Reading Mama website. So if you need any printouts you can take it from there, but I have used here in a different way. This is food. Food is one word and ball is another word. Together it creates football. And this is cook and this is book, and together it's cookbook. Fire, fly, and it's firefly. And then here you can see this is wind and shield. Windshield, lighthouse, lighthouse, snowman, snowman. So then here I have this sandbox, sandbox, scarecrow, scarecrow, ladybug, this is ladybug. And then here waterfall, waterfall. And then fish bowl, fish bowl, spaceship, spaceship. So I created this interactive book for my child to make it interesting to learn compound words. And then here I have put stickers and he has to find the compound words. So this is butter and this is fly, butterfly, toothbrush, sunflower, lipstick, tree, house. And here I have this compound words, so he can take this out and match it here. This will go here, butterfly, and this is toothbrush, sunflower, lipstick, tree house. So I have created one pouch here, and then he can take it from here and then keep it back. This is fireman, cupcake, bedtime, mailbox, mailbox, rainbow, rainbow. And then here is another, this is balloon, so pop, it's popcorn, flashlight, jellyfish. And this is doorbell, doorbell, basketball, basketball. And he can take the picture. This is compound words. So these are compound words, so just match it. So use this and match it over here. I'll post this printout in the description box below. And then here I have this highlight a compound word. So here I have given compound words and non-compound words. So he has to find the compound words and then highlight them. Once he's done, he has to list out all the compound words here and non-compound words under not a compound word category. So biggest, biggest is not a compound word. Popcorn, popcorn, yes, it is a compound word. Sailboat, compound word. Common, not a compound word. Maybe, compound word. Friendly, friendly is not a compound word. Summer, yes, it is a no, summer is not a compound word. Postman, yes, it is a compound word. So he has to see all these words and highlight a compound word. And then here I have this activity, build compound words. So two smaller words put together to make a compound word. So here I have written first word and second word, and he has to find a compound word and has to write it over here. So head, egg, headache, he has to write it here. Footprint, haircut, loudspeaker, so he has to write here loudspeaker. Day plus time, daytime, so he has to write daytime. Motor plus cycle, motorcycle, so he has to write motorcycle here. Mid plus night, midnight. Lockdown, classmate. Then base plus ball, baseball, and plus other, another, flash plus light, flashlight, cow plus boy, cowboy, sun plus shine, sunshine. Then here's another activity. A compound word is made of two smaller words. So here one word I have given and second word he has to find with the help of this picture. So here star is there. I have written star and this is fish. So star plus fish, starfish. Has to write the compound word here. And as you can see here, the first word is missing. For that here I have given a clue, and here second word I have written ball. So this is basket. So he has to write basket here and write this compound word basketball. So he has to write basketball here. This is tooth plus he has to find the second word. This is paste. So he has to write paste here and then write toothpaste here. So he has to complete this, and then here he has to color the clouds to get compound. As you can see here, I have divided this page into 10 boxes, and in each box there are compound words. The child has to find the compound words. On the left side I have written first word, and on right side I have written second word. So the child has to match the first word with the second word. For example, so skate, here I have written skate. So skateball, no. Skateboard, yes. So the child has to shade the skate and board in the same color. Then baseball, so he has to shade this base and ball with the same color. This is actually matching activity. He has to find a compound word, and then here it's outdoor, and this is dragon. Dragon nut, no, dragon nut will not come. Dragon fly, yes, dragonfly. So match this dragon with the fly by shading with the same color. So the child has to complete this, and then so this is read and draw. So read the given words and draw picture accordingly to illustrate the words. So this is sailboat. He has to draw a sailboat here. School bus, postcard, toothbrush, airplane, toothpaste, butterfly, rainbow, football, starfish, railroad, flashlight. And then here unscramble the compound words. So here I have given a clue for him. So starfish, doghouse, toothbrush, rainbow, football, sorry, this is basketball. So here the words are not in an order, scramble. So he has to unscramble this compound word using this clue. So this is toothbrush. He has to write toothbrush. So he has to find the compound words. He has to unscramble the compound words. And then here on this grid, so he has to find the compound words. So there are starfish, doghouse, toothbrush, rainbow, and basketball. So he has to find all the 5 compound words here. Toothbrush, this is toothbrush, and then rainbow. So he has to find all the words. Starfish, starfish is here. Where is the basketball? Basketball. Doghouse, where is doghouse? So he has to find this. And then here spring compound words. A compound word is made up of 2 words that come together to make one new word. So the words below are associated with spring. So find 2 words that make each compound words. So here I have written sunshine, butterfly, grasshopper, tadpole, dragonfly. So he has to just split the words, first word and second word. So he has to write the first word in first blank and second word in the second blank. So sun, shine, sun he has to write here and shine here. This is butterfly, he has to write butter here and fly here. And springtime, springtime. Ladybird, ladybird. Eggshell, eggshell. And then here, so pick 2 different highlighters and identify and highlight the word parts of compound words. So for example, playroom. So playroom. So play is one word and room is another word. So I have differentiated with two highlighters, two different colors, play in pink color and room in green color. So he has to take the take two highlighters and differentiate two words. So as you can see, there are so many compound words I have written on this paper. So he's not going to complete this in a single day, so he can take his own time to complete this worksheet. And then here, compound word is a combination of two or more words, particularly two words, so that function has a single unit of meaning. As you can see here, so star, so on left on one column I have written star, sun, rain, flash, and for each word I have given some options. So the child has to take the highlighter or color pencil or crayons, whatever he wants to do, so he can take it and shade it. So there are not only one option, so he can there are more than one. So for star, here I have given fish, cap, grapes, bird, boy. So star, fish, so he has to shade this fish. And then here for rain, you can see drops, bow, carrot, fall, girl. So raindrops, rainbow, carrot will not come, rainfall. So all these three he has to shade it. And here somebody will come, someday, someone, yes, someone will also come, sometimes. So all four words he has to shade with the highlighter. So flash, base, home, week, tooth, bed, male, cup, seal, lip, white, food. So I have given more than one options, so the child has to find the compound words. Before proceeding this activity, here we have another activity. We will see that. As you all know that two words put together to create a compound word. So as you can see the bits of paper here, the child is going to create compound words using this. I have written first words and second words. To differentiate that, I have written first word in pink color and second word in orange color. So the child has to find first and second word to create a compound word and put it together. So while I present this activity, we'll shuffle them and present it. And here as you can see, I have drawn clouds, and below that I have given rectangle shaped box, and in the clouds I have written day, bird, sun, play, sea, rain, water, snow. So the child has to find the compound word. So the child has to find the second word. Here I have written first word and the child has to find the second word. For example, for day, the child has to find as many words he can. For day, it's daycare, daylight, daydream. So he can find as many words he can. And if he is not able to find that word, and then here I have this clue card. So he can take this clue card and then find the word and write the second word here. I have written day already, so he can write light here, care. For daycare, he has to write care, and then daydream, he has to write dream. And then for sunrise, for sun, I have written sunrise, sunset, Sunday, sunglasses. And here you can see for play, here I have given some clues. And for bird, here I have given some clue, bird house, bird watch. And then for snow, here snowman, snowfall. For sea, seafood, seashore, seahorse. For water, waterfall, waterproof, watermelon, rainbow, raindrop. So he can use this clue sheets, clue card, and then find the compound word here. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed watching this video, do share your comments, give thumbs up, do share with your friends. Thanks for watching and happy parenting.